Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Now, yesterday I shared some tips about how to keep focused and why it's so important that we keep ourselves focused in the moment and focused on what we're doing. So I have two more simple tips to help you during your day to help you keep focused on what's important and to avoid the external distractions. These two tips are as follows. Number one, have something on your desk, and I have something that's written that says, am I focusing on what's really important or just interesting? Remember yesterday I said that our brain loves to be distracted by bright shiny objects, and I love information and knowledge, so I have to keep myself focused on the task at hand. And I also said that it's very easy to get distracted because we have an attention span of around 8 seconds. So if you have this on your desk and you see it, you might need a reminder coming across your screen on your computer, an audio reminder in your phone, or written somewhere where you look at it and you remember to look at it and bring yourself back to the moment. So that can be one really helpful way. The other way is at the end of the day, have a question or several questions that you review to see how your day went. And the one I use is this. I ask myself, and I have it written down, did I do my best to keep focused on what was really important today? I give myself a score out of 10, and if it's not a great score, I just ask myself what went wrong, what must I do tomorrow to make sure that I keep more focused. It's a great way to review and keep ourselves on track, because the more we are aware of where we're losing focus, where we're getting distracted and what our time wasting things are, the more we can put in new strategies and methodologies to ensure that we keep focused. So that's my two simple tips today. At the end of the day, review what you've done. Did I do my best to keep focused on what's important? And have something on your desk where you can see it that reminds you and has a question like, am I keeping focused on what's really important? So I hope that was helpful, and those are your two tips today. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.